Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across our YouTube channel, our name is Sharon and Chris. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you for always watching our video, for always commenting. Thank you guys, and God bless you all. So in today's video guys, we are going to make Nigerian puff puff. Comment in the comment section if there is any name apart from puff puff, because right from time is puff puff. I know they call it so. It's Nigerian snack, just like that buns, but this one is puff puff. If you have not yet watched my buns video, please go and watch it. Thank you. So in today's video we are making puff puff. So let me show you what I'm going to use in making my puff puff, the ingredient I'm going to use in making my puff puff. So here is my flour, sugar, oil, groundnut oil that I'm going to use in frying my puff puff, salt, yeast and nutmeg. So now I'm going to mix the dry ingredient and also water too, but guys, there's no space here, so I'm already close to the sink, so I'll use water in mixing it. So let me show you how I'm going to mix my puff puff ingredients. So keep on watching guys. So guys, now I'll add my nutmeg and my yeast and salt, my sugar, so you mix it together. This bowl will not be enough. So mix it proper. So I'm going to add water now. So I use warm water, not too hot, not too cold, just a little bit warm. So I'm going to add more water. So see, our dough is ready. So now we are going to cover it. So if you have towel or napkin, you cover it. And so now we are going to on the gas to heat the oil. So now our oil is on fire. We will allow it to hot before we start frying. So guys, we'll stay now. See it. Perfect. So our dough is good now. Let me wash my hands. So now we'll start adding our puff to start frying. The same process. If you have ice cream cups, you can use it also. Stir our puff puff again. Stir it, don't allow it to burn. Keep your eyes on it. Wow, this our puff puff is one in town. You want to go this puff puff. Cause this puff puff is cinema. Na puff puff a blue site ibude. Wow. Comment in the comment section if you want some so that I will send it for you. Can use this to take tea, soft drink, and many more. So these are puff puff. Omechimeye. This my puff puff is too much. This puff puff boku alonte. This one is puff puff that have swag. Puff puff that have sense. This puff puff is too much. Please like, share this video, please. Oh my people, support una girl. I beg, share this video. I'm begging you guys. I'm not commanding you guys, please. So our puff puff is ready. Can you see this delicious puff puff? Puff puff that have sense. This puff puff, oh my god, guys, try this remedy or methods, anyone. You see that you have the perfect. This is the result of our puff puff. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to comment. Give me a like if you like this puff puff. So now I'm going to eat my puff puff with hot chocolate. So guys, thank you and bye bye.